Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to share another ATC Cards Coins 2020 collaboration with Poetspice here on YouTube. We're posting a video every Monday in August and around 10 a.m. or 10 a.m. We're showcasing ATCs and ATC coins. How fun they are, how easy you can make them, how quick and easy you can make them. You could make them for any theme, for any holiday, and they're perfect for your scraps. I do have to say, any little pieces, like I always have little pieces of paper, and I have tons of scrap paper around my desk, just needing to be used. So today I wanted to share my two ATC cards. I'm doing cards this week, and I made it quite simple, easy and simple to do, and it's just using my scraps. So this one, this is graphic 45 paper. I want to say it's the botanical paper, but it's on the other side. One side is, floral, and this one is, stripes. They're known for these stripes, I think. I layered up some paper that I tore and inked. I added some words. This one says believe, hope, and never give up, and some heart bling from the Dollar Tree. I think these would be great, on a card to a friend. You could use them on a memory decks card to add dimension. You could add these to a journal, in a pocket or in a tuck spot. You could do a lot with these. So this one is a different layout, same paper, with be true to who you are, true friendship. And I just did the same thing. I inked the edges of both ATCs with my vintage photo and walnut stain. And I love how these turned out. They're similar but different. I like that. So, when you have scraps laying around, it comes together fairly quickly, and I have a bunch of these words. I'll show you. I have a bunch of these words that I have in a little baggie that I cut up a while back, and I'm just trying to use what I have. So, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. Oh, one more thing. I almost forgot. Oh my gosh. At the end of the month, I will be having a giveaway. I'm not sure what the prize will be. It may be a set of ATC cards. It may be, some random goodies, or, something else. I just haven't picked it out yet. But what I would like people to do is to comment and like my videos, the videos that I have posted up for this collab. You have to be a visible subscriber of mine, and you have to be a subscriber. You have to be 18 years and older. And you just have to comment. You don't have to do anything, but just comment. So I would like to thank everybody that have stopped by, who have comment already. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. I can't wait for next week's ATCs, and hopefully you'll come back. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.